The first machine in line is the WCE Case Erector. Compact but powerful, it forms cases with precision and speed, handling up to 35 cases per minute with ease. Perfect for businesses scaling up their packaging efficiency. Watch as freshly erected cartons glide seamlessly, ready for the next step in the automated process. Next, the SF-400 UHS Partition Inserter takes over. Operating at speeds up to 50 partitions per minute, it ensures every carton is perfectly fitted with protective inserts, safeguarding delicate products with precision. Behind protective guarding, watch the intricate assembly of cardboard partitions, a testament to the machine's efficiency and meticulous engineering. Smooth transitions keep the flow uninterrupted, as cartons move effortlessly to the next phase of assembly. In perfect sync, our machines deliver unmatched efficiency, ensuring every carton is assembled to perfection. The WVI Vision Inspection System integrates seamlessly, ensuring perfect, defect-free cartons are properly assembled with every component securely in place. Here, the boxes roll out, fully assembled and ready for case packing. Fully automated, fast, and reliable. Wayne Automation, engineered for efficiency, built for your success. Contact us today to upgrade your packaging line.